Yes, miss.
Are
Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, hello. Good morning, respected Principal, Reverend Father Jude Fernandez, Supervisor Miss Annette Hendricks, our guest of honor, Miss Noreen Kuti, and support staff, Mr. Santosh Gavane, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends.
A warm welcome to one and all.
We, the students of Standard 7, have arranged a wonderful program as we celebrate 22nd Republic Day today. Republic
72nd.
Day has been celebrated every year on January 26 since 1950 to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect.
Well, Republic Day reminds us of the sacred values and rights enshrined in the Constitution of India. It is indeed a day of national pride.
So let's celebrate the day of its declaration with heart and soul. I request all of you kindly stand in attention for the national anthem.
Yes. Mohsin, play. Kindly play. Volume. Mohsin. Beginning. Yes.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
We shall begin now the program with the prayer dance. 1 second.
We have master.
Miss, 1 second.
Okay. We have Master Aryan Veti, okay, who's going to perform this prayer dance. It's always good to start with prayers. So here we have a wonderful prayer dance performed by Master Aryan Veti.
तेरा ही आसरा सहमी हो सारी दिशाएं, जब दुख की हो घटाएं तो हम जाए कहाँ। ऐ मालिक तेरी दुनिया में है हमको तेरा ही आसरा। धुंधले से चेहरों में धुंधली सी यादें हैं, यादों में तेरा कारवां। बुझती सी आँखों में टूटे से सपने हैं, सपनों में तेरे ही निशान। आस बाकी सांस बाकी तोड़ी जाए ना, याद बाकी बात बाकी छोड़ी जाए ना। ऐ मालिक तेरी दुनिया में है हमको तेरा ही आसरा। ऐ मालिक तेरी दुनिया में है हमको तेरा ही आसरा।
It was a splendid performance.
I would like to quote the words of Chandrasekhar Azad. दुश्मन की गोलियों का हम सामना करेंगे, दुश्मन की गोलियों का हम सामना करेंगे, आजाद ही रहे हैं और आजाद ही रहेंगे. So moving ahead, let us hear a speech in Hindi delivered by my classmate, Master Siddesh Yadav.
Mohsin, can you zoom that video?
नमस्कार।
Zoom the video.
माननीय मुख्याध्यापक, मेरे अध्यापक और मेरे साथियों, आज भारत अपना 72वां गणतंत्र दिवस मना रहा है। गणतंत्र दिवस एक राष्ट्रीय पर्व है। यह पर्व सभी धर्मों के लोग समान भाव से मनाते हैं। इसका संबंध किसी धर्म जाति से न होकर राष्ट्र से होता है, इसलिए इसे एक राष्ट्रीय पर्व कहा जाता है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस, गणतंत्र दिवस और गांधी जयंती हमारे राष्ट्रीय पर्व है। यह पर्व उन शहीद जवानों का स्मरण कराते हैं और भारतीय जनमानस को एकता के सूत्र में पिरोते हैं। 26 जनवरी 1950 में भारत का अपना संविधान लागू हुआ था, जो डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने बनाया था। 26 जनवरी 1930 के दिन ही कांग्रेस के अधिवेशन में भारत के सबसे पहले प्रधानमंत्री पंडित नेहरू की अध्यक्षता में अंग्रेजों से पूर्ण स्वतंत्रता हासिल करने का प्रस्ताव पारित किया गया था। गणतंत्र दिवस पूरे देश में धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। इसका मुख्य आयोजन देश की राजधानी दिल्ली में किया जाता है। इस दिन सबसे पहले भारत के प्रधानमंत्री और राष्ट्रपति इंडिया गेट पर स्थित अमर जवान ज्योति पर देश के शहीदों को श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं। इसके बाद भव्य परेड निकाली जाती है, जो देश की एकता और अखंडता के साथ देश की सैन्य की ताकत को दर्शाती है। इस तरह यह दिन सभी देशवासियों को प्रेरित करता है कि वो शहीद देशभक्तों का बलिदान को व्यर्थ नहीं जाने देंगे और अपने देश की रक्षा, गौरव और उत्थान के लिए सदा समर्पित रहेंगे। जय हिंद।
Mohsin, can you zoom the videos whenever you're showing? Yeah, okay. It was truly, continue. It was truly, continue.
It was truly a wonderful performance. I would like to quote the words of Subhash Chandra Bose. One individual.
Continue. Sorry, continue. Yes.
One individual may die, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself into 1,000 lives.
Can you show that video of teacher Noreen, guest of honor? Yeah. We have our PTA representative also amongst us, a vice president of the PTA, Mrs. Maria Khan. Welcome, Maria Khan.
Good morning, teachers.
Good morning, Maria. Okay. We know a guest of honor. I told you students in the beginning that is Maureen yeah, go a little behind, backward, please. Slightly backward, please. We have our silver jubilarians this year. We have teacher Noreen Kutti, as you can see on the screen. Teacher Noreen Kutti has completed 25 years of dedicated service, okay, in our institution. And she's a Hindi teacher. She's teaching Marathi also this year to standard 10 students. And she's a very good teacher, very talented teacher, okay. And here we can see our supervisor, Mrs. Annette Hendricks, were presenting a bouquet of flowers to our teacher, Noreen Kutti. Okay, and she's a guest of honor, Mrs. Noreen Kutti. Move ahead.
Bilaj, sorry to interrupt. Tell the host to take the people inside. So Santosh is also waiting.
Oh, thank you, teacher. I think Mohsin, he is a host today for today's program. Kindly admit those people, somebody are waiting. Please pause here. Yeah, we have our support staff, Mr. Santosh Gavane. You must have seen him in our school, and he is giving his service, okay, dedicatedly for the past 25 years. You can again see in the picture our supervisor, Mrs. Annette Hendricks, presenting a bouquet of flowers as a token of love and appreciation to our support staff, that is Mr. Santosh Gavane. He's a hardworking person. You must have seen him. He's always, whenever you call for him, he's always there to help you, okay, to help you to clean our classrooms, always ready to offer his help. So he is also completing his 25 years today. So we have got 2 silver jubilarians today, and these 2 of them are guests of honor in on today's program. Okay. Yes, continue. Here we have the vice president, Mrs. Maria Khan, along with them. Okay. Yes, continue. Mona Lisa and primary teacher and teacher Jyoti along with them. Okay. Congratulate them for their 5 years. Yes, we proceed with our program, and I again invite Mohsin to continue, to take over. Mohsin.
We are very much aware of the sacrifices done by our freedom fighters and presently our COVID warriors risking their lives for us. So it's time to pay tribute to them for their selfless works in the form of PowerPoint presentation. This presentation is compiled by Aryan, Arif, and myself.
Good morning, Santosh sir, and we welcome you, Santosh sir.
What is Republic Day? Republic Day honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India. A republic is a state in which high
Why is it celebrated? It is a day to remember when India's constitution came into force on January 26, 1950, completing the country's transition towards becoming an independent republic. On this day, ceremonial parades take place at the Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich culture and heritage.
How is Republic Day celebrated? The main Republic Day celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath before the President of India. This parade showcases India's defense capability and its cultural heritage. Governors in their respective states hoist the Indian flag, even in school, colleges, and universities. People hoist the flag, salute, and show respect to our nation.
Keeping in mind spiritual words, pride in our heart, may we
Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi, was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist, and political ethicist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule, and in turn inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. Born 2 October 1869, Porbandar.
Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India, as well as a central figure in Indian politics, both before and after independence. Born 14th November 1889, Prayagraj.
Rajendra Prasad was an Indian independence activist, lawyer, scholar, and subsequently the first president of India, in office from 1950 to 1962. He was an Indian politician, leader, and lawyer by training. Born 3rd December 1884.
Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, was an Indian jurist, economist, politician, and social reformer who inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and campaigned against social discrimination towards the untouchables. He was the member of the Drafting Commission of Indian Constitution. Born 14 April 1891, Dr. Ambedkar Nagar.
Vallabhbhai Javed Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Born 31st October 1875, Nadiad.
Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet, a proponent of civil rights, women's emancipation, and anti-imperialistic ideas. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. Born 13 February 1879, Hyderabad.
Abul Kalam Ghulam Mughiyuddin Ahmad bin Khairuddin Al-Husseini Azad was an Indian scholar, Islamic theologian, independence activist, and a senior leader of the Indian National Congress during the Indian independence movement. Born 11 November 1888, Mecca, Saudi.
Aviel Parker Zainuddin Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. Born 15th October 1931, Rameshwaram.
The 1920 coronavirus pandemic is upending life on a global level as we know it. So we should say thank you to all the doctors, nurses, medical cleaners, pathologists, paramedics, ambulance drivers, and healthcare administrators in the fight against coronavirus.
When one consciously risks his own life for the well-being of the other, that is worship-worthy. The healthcare workers, the doctors, the nurses, security agencies, the forces, the police and the various other staff, we bow down to you.
समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम, ममता का तू है दूजा नाम, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम। आपदा से तू है लड़ रहा, मौत का बढ़ रहा कारवां, तेरे हाथों से ही जग का आशीष, तेरा जीवन तेरा ना रहा। इस पथ पर चले ना रुके ना डरे, विश्व तेरा ऋणी हो गया, सूरज की तरह तू अखंडित रहा।
Yes, Mohsin, any problem your side?
तेरा जीवन ही है प्रेरणा, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम, ममता का तू है दूजा नाम, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम। मृत्यु औरों की है, हम सदा है यहाँ, आज हमने ये भ्रम खो दिया, पल पुकारे हमें ढूंढ खुद में जरा, जीवन की ये क्या है जुबान, आदतों में बंधा मन ये अंधा हुआ, दोहराए बिना गलतियां, जाया होंगी नहीं तेरी कुर्बानियां, तेरे साथ हैं हम यहाँ, तेरे प्रणाम। ममता का तू है दूजाना, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम।
That's our gratitude to all the men and women across.
Wasn't that it a fabulous presentation? Quoting Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's word, manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly. Then it becomes a spiritual power.
None of us, so far as the ultimate goal is concerned, I think none of us need have any apprehensions. None of us need have any doubts. But my fear, which I must express clearly, is this. Our difficulty, as I said, is not about the ultimate future. Our difficulty is how to make the heterogeneous mass that we have today take a decision in common and march in a cooperative way on that road which is bound to lead us to unity. Our difficulty is not with regard to the ultimate. Our difficulty is with regard to the beginning. Thank you.
As rightly quoted by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, they cannot make history who forgot history. As you heard the speech in Hindi, now it's time for Marathi speech by Jay Umrikar.
26 जानेवारी हा भारताचा प्रजासत्ताक दिन. यास गणराज्य दिन. मुख्याध्यापक व शिक्षकगण, माझे सुप्रभात. माझे मुख्य अतिथी, मुख्याध्यापक व शिक्षकगण, माझे बालमित्रांनो, आज मी तुम्हास गणतंत्र दिवस बद्दल थोडीशी माहिती देणार. 26 जानेवारी हा भारताचा प्रजासत्ताक दिन. यास गणराज्य दिन असेही म्हटले जाते. 26 जानेवारी 2021 हा भारताचा 72वा प्रजासत्ताक दिन आहे, जो आपण साजरा करीत आहोत. मित्रांनो, 15 ऑगस्ट 1947 रोजी आपला भारत देश स्वतंत्र झाला. पण स्वातंत्र्य मिळाल्यावर आपल्या देशाला खरी गरज ही संविधानाची होती. त्याशिवाय देशाचा कारभार हा सुरळीत चालणार नव्हता. आपल्या देशाला सुख समाधानाने, शांततेने जगता यावे म्हणून संविधान समितीचे महान कार्य सुरू झाले. डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर या महामानवाच्या कार्य अध्यक्षतेखाली संविधान समितीने देशाचे संविधान तयार केले. 26 जानेवारी 1950 रोजी आपला भारत देशाचा संविधान अंमलात आला आणि आपला देश हा प्रजासत्ताक असा घोषित करण्यात आला. असा हा प्रजासत्ताक दिन तो दरवर्षी अत्यंत उत्साहाने साजरा केला जातो. आपल्या देशाला स्वातंत्र्य मिळवण्यासाठी अनेक क्रांतिकारकांनी आपले जीव गमावले. तर या क्रांतिवीरांसाठी आपण सन्मान करूया. धन्यवाद.
That was a lovely speech. So, a quote by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मभूमी आहे. स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मभूमी आहे आणि ते मी मिळवणारच मिळवणार. Let us tune ourselves to the lovely music played by Enosh on Casio.
Mohsin, please take boys inside. They're still waiting in the room, beta.
Yes, miss.
Today I am going to play Vande Mataram on piano. So let's start. Thank you.
That was indeed very appealing.
Jyotin,
Aryan,
do you know who was the first president of India?
yes, it was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, right?
Yes. So here we have Shivam Chauhan as Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Stay back and enjoy his speech.
इतिहास के इस अहम मौके पर जब वर्षों के संघर्ष के बाद आज हम अपने देश की शासन की भागदौड़ हमारे हाथों में लेने जा रहे हैं, हमें उस परम पिता परमेश्वर को याद करना चाहिए जो मनुष्य और देशों के भाग्य को लिखता है। मैं ज्ञात और अज्ञात पुरुषों तथा स्त्रियों के प्रति श्रद्धांजलि देता हूँ। मैं अपनी श्रद्धा और भक्ति का उपहार महात्मा गांधी को पेश करता हूँ। मैं आशा करता हूँ कि हमारे विजय की घड़ी में हिंदुस्तान सत्य और अहिंसा जैसे अस्त्र को नहीं छोड़ेगा। आज इस देश को मौका मिला है और मैं आशा रखता हूँ कि इसमें इतनी हिम्मत और शक्ति होगी। दुनिया के सारे देशों को मैं विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि हम अपने इतिहास के अनुसार सबके साथ दोस्ती और मित्रता का बर्ताव रखना चाहते हैं। हम बड़े काम में जा रहे हैं। हम आशा करते हैं कि देश के सारे लोग हमारे इस काम में सहयोग करें और संसार के दूसरे देश अपनी सहानुभूति और सहयोग देंगे। हम आशा करते हैं कि अपने आप को इस योग्य साबित कर सके। ईश्वर हमारा भला करे।
So, here I would like to quote Dr. Rajendra Prasad's words. In attaining our ideals, our means should be as pure as the end.
Yes. So let's express our patriotic feelings to this lively dance put up by Meet More and Parth Shirvadkar. Yes.
Miss, please allow me screen sharing. I can't share.
Yes, yes. Please share the screen. So we now have this lovely dance put up by Meet and Parth.
मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, ये मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहां रहूं जहां मैं याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Wow, that was an awesome performance. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. Yes, you have guessed it right. This was the quote said by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Now, Master Salif Ansari will deliver a speech in English highlighting the importance of the celebration.
Very good morning to one and all. Thank you for giving me a chance to deliver a speech on the Republic Day. Today, we are here to celebrate our 72nd Republic Day and give the message of solidarity, equality, and harmony. Class 7 welcomes you all on this incredible and favorable event. We observe and praise Republic Day in India consistently on 26th of January as the Constitution of India came into force in the year 1950. India is a fair, secular and democratic nation where open is approved to choose its pioneers to lead the nation, where won autonomy from the British rule run in 1947. Our nation has built up immensely and is considered as the part of one of the effective nations. As a national festival, all the workplaces and establishments stay closed. Schools, universities, and other instructive organizations celebrate extraordinary shows. Students effectively partake in debates, painting competitions, singing, dancing, and so on. Let us pray all to God to uplift our country and enhance it by overcoming the problems like disparity, destitution, poverty, illiteracy, etc., and make our nation, India, the best. Thank you.
That was a wonderful speech. Merciless criticism and independent thinking are two revolutionary traits of revolutionary thinking. This was said by Bhagat Singh.
Friends, you must know that who was the first Prime Minister of India? Yes, it's Jawaharlal Nehru, and he held the post till his death in 1964. So here we have got Ayush Kale, Jawaharlal Nehru. Let's welcome him.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to the life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new. An age ends, and the soul of the nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. We end today a period of misfortunes, and India discovers herself again. The achievements we celebrate today is a step, an opening of opportunities to the greater triumphs and achievements awaits us. Jai Hind.
That was indeed a remarkable performance. Do you know that this was also the first speech delivered by Jawaharlal Nehru after independence? A leader or a man of crisis always acts subconsciously and then thinks of the reason of his actions. This was quoted by Jawaharlal Nehru.
Let's listen to this inspiring song. That inspiring song.
We have a vision for tomorrow. Just believe.
warming and encouraging. Last but not the least, this is our last quote for the day by APJ Abdul Kalam said, I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Because beauty is required in heart, not in face.
We now have an interesting quiz for you all.
Now, students, pay attention for this quiz. You are going to send the answers only to Mohsin, okay? Not to everyone. If you send your answers to everyone, then you won't be qualified. You won't be selected, okay? You won't be the winner, even if your answers are correct. So start writing the answers start typing it and send it to personally to Mohsin. Is this clear? Have you understood? Yes? So here we go. Should we start the quiz? Mohsin, just go to this. Where is that? Increase this. Zoom it. Can you zoom it? Yeah. The quickest, the fastest first two winners. Okay, we're going to declare. So if you are very quick, we have got two winners for this. The one who is very quick, okay, the fastest one, and with the correct answers. So you can start doing it. I mean, zoom it in the sense you can increase the screen has to be.
Can you show the first question?
Yeah, we're doing it. Come on. It's only for 1 second per question, okay? Fast.
Released January 1950.
Next. Yeah, don't give the answer. If you get the answer verbally, you won't be selected. Type it and send it to Mohsin. Type it in the chat box. Chat is already activated. Yeah. I think Mohsin, this can be, the screen has to become
Please, can you show the second question?
Yeah. 1 minute. Just go to second one. It's only a second in your hand to see the question. I'll tell you to change, that time you change. Yes. Change.
Please show the option of second question.
See it fast. We won't come again to the second one now. Okay. Third one. Go to the fourth one now. The third one, they've already seen it. One minute. Go to the fourth one. Yes, wait. Be quick, please. Next. Next. Next question. Yeah. Wait a minute. Wait for a second here. Keep typing fast. Do not send now. First to type all the answers. Do not send the answers now. Yeah, all together it has to go. Next. Yes. Next question, Mohsin. Sixth question. Which of the following award is presented during the Republic Day? Red and White Bravery Awards, National Bravery Awards. Next one, Padma Bhushan, Paramveer Chakra. Next question. From where does the parade of Republic Day start? India Gate, Red Fort, Rashtrapati Bhavan, or Vijay Chowk? Just keep on typing your answers in the chat box. Do not send your answers. Next. Who is known as the father, get back, of the Indian Constitution? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, that is Baba Ambedkar, or Subhash Chandra Bose? Next. The father of Indian Constitution. Next.
Which Indian force takes part in the procession of Republic Day? Indian Navy, Indian Army Force, Indian Air Force, or all of the above?
Can you show 7th one, please?
No, beta, we cannot do that. We're already going so slow and I'm reading it. Next one, 10th question now. You type this, we'll come to it. Don't worry. First you type this. Who wrote National Anthem of India? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay or Rabindranath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu or Abdul Ghaffar Khan? Who wrote the National Anthem of India? Just put your options A, B, C, D. That's enough. Next. You can put the only the alphabets. Next question. Keep putting the alphabets. Who is going to be the chief guest on 26 January 2021 Republic Day Parade in India? Okay. President Cyril Ramaphosa, President Jay Bolson, President Francois Hollande, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. So these are the, just put the numbers. That's it. Do not write the names. Next one. Who was the first chief guest on the very first Republic Day Parade of India in the year 1950? King Tribhuvan Bikram Shah, King Jigme Dorji Wangchuk, President Sukarno, King Norodom Sihanouk. Who was the first chief guest on the first Republic Day Parade of India 1950? Next one. How many times representatives from the United Kingdom have been invited to the Republic Day Parade in India? 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2000 Republic. Okay, next question. In 2000 Republic Day Parade of India, the President Olusegun Obasanjo was the chief guest. He belonged to which country? Algeria, Mauritius, Nigeria, or Brazil? Done?
Yes, miss. All the questions are done.
Okay, now you can send it to Mohsin on its personal chat. Okay, we'll continue now. Let's wind up. Yes, continue.
Before we draw the curtains, I take the opportunity to thank all those who lent a helping hand to make this Republic Day truly meaningful. And so I invite Mohsin Khan to propose a vote of thanks.
It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contributions of those who worked hard to make this Republic Day celebration a success. We thank Sandeep sir and Santosh sir for being a part of our program. My sincere thanks to our principal, Father Jude Fernandez, for constantly being a guiding light and a source of inspiration to us. I would like to thank our teachers for guiding us in the preparation of today's program and to teach us to face future with a positive mindset. I would also like to thank all the participants who participate in the programs and all my dear friends for sitting quietly and patiently and being a part of today's 26 January Republic Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohsin. Thank you, Aryan, for your part, okay, for comparing. I would like Sandeep sir to share few words with us, to speak few words. Sandeep sir, could you please address us, address the audience? Sandeep sir, we finished our program. Could you please share a few words? Yes. Yes, Sandeep sir.
Yeah. Miss, actually, I am having a network issue, I think.
Okay. Okay. I request Santosh sir to please share a few words with us. Santosh sir.
Very good morning. Hello.
Yes, Santosh sir, we can hear you very well.
Hello. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Happy Republic Day, and it was really indeed. Yeah, it's a
We can't hear you, sir.
very nice program. and I loved it. Hello, you can
Yes,
hear me?
Yeah, your voice is breaking. Yes, sir. Can you hear us, Santosh, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, carry on.
Yeah, it was really, it was a nice program, and especially the boy playing that organ, that Vande Mataram song. It was really touching, and indeed, thank you all teachers who have put on a good show. Yeah, and all students, you have done. Happy Republic Day. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. We thank all the participants who participated in this program, who took great efforts in this program. The compares of the day. Thank you very much. Thank you, Teacher Archana, a lot. Thank you, the PTA members, and even you other parents who are there behind the screen, always reaching out a helping hand to us. Okay, guiding the students in the best possible way. We wish you all Happy Republic Day. Okay, Teacher Archana would like to speak something. Teacher Archana, Happy Republic Day to one and all. Enjoy the day. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Teacher Archana would like to say something. I think she has got a network problem, I guess. Okay. So here we end the program. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I miss.
Yes.
Thank you,
Have
ma'am.
a song, something. Okay. Yeah. Happy Republic Day to you too. You have a song.
Good night, miss.
Yeah.
I have
Thank
written